Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking. Hi guys, I just finished work today. I thought I would vlog today because I got all cute. We're having a cute little date night. So this is my outfit. I'll put the details in the description box. I think these two I hauled recently. This is my cute little Angela Roy bag. I haven't worn this in a while. And yeah, so let's go. So we just parked and we're going to walk over now. It's like a pasta place. I've been craving pasta. So we're gonna go. Oh.
I've been feeling love for a while, but you can always make me smile. And you know that I mean that.
Look at my pants. I have to unbutton it. Don't cover it though. A little napkin. So we ordered an alcoholic drink, and I asked Cody to see if he can drink it without making a face. Looks like drink it with a straight face. Okay, I'm gonna try.
Still there, man.
I'm gonna try.
See, you twitched a little at the end.
I hit the knife! Okay. Cody's gonna try with this. It's just Coke. Ew, don't do that. Say what they are. Carbonara. Twinning pasta.
Yeah, seafood.
Like a meat pizza.
Yeah.
Can you cut it? Wow. It smells good.
And it's your half my hand.
They put like cabbage.
They want to cut it like this?
Yeah. You could cut it individually, yeah. Is this place open?
I'm down at this waistline, right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm doing all this FaceTime, need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed. Can't spend time alone. Give you my hoodie just so you can smell.
Hi
my
guys,
cologne.
happy Friday. So yesterday was so nice and today's Friday, so I'm finishing up some work. But this morning me and Cody had to go to like a luxury shopping center. It's called Manhasset in Long Island, I think. Basically he had to get his Audemars Piguet resized, and look what happened. look what happened. I got a little cutie. I know I made like an entire video confessing to you guys like my dupes and stuff, but I think Cody noticed that it's something that I use all the time and he really hates that it's fake, so he bought me the real one. Thank you, Cody. I think, you know, I'm all about being honest with you guys, and yeah, it might be silly or dumb, but I definitely stand behind, like, getting something to see if you like it, and then getting the real thing. This happened with the Prada bag, and this happened with the love bracelet. I wear the love bracelet every single day, and I love it to death. And yeah, I did get, like, the replica one just to see if I like it. And also, it's like, it's your life, you can do what you want. And yeah, I'm just saying it's my life and I'm gonna do what I want. So yeah, but of course I'm gonna take you guys along. It was just like so nice for him to do that. And yeah, I think I'm gonna make a video unboxing it, and then I'll probably show you guys like the differences, if there really are any, because I couldn't tell in store. I had a really nice time in there. Last thing, I do want to say that I did poll it on my Instagram, and I'll probably put the screenshot in, but 61% of you guys voted to get it. I know, like, I still make my own decisions, but you know, still feels nice to get some support. But yeah. Okay, so this portion of the vlog is Cody's portion. I don't know, he can explain it to you, but he got this item in the mail, so he's gonna do like a cute little unboxing for you guys. Okay, Cody's unboxing. Do you want to tell them a bit about it?
Yeah, AP reached out to me directly.
Oh yeah, Cody's sponsored by AP.
No, joking. I won a raffle on
on
Instagram. They're called Lux Watch Supply. And
wow. Oh, he cut it open already. Okay, he's just running to unbox this. And yeah, he's wearing one. Wow. Do you think it's real?
yes, it's real.
What are you gonna do to authenticate it?
I'm gonna bring it into Alejandro, my dealer.
You gave him a shout out? Oh my god, there's so many shout outs.
He's the dealer. He's my dealer at Manhasset. This is a 41mm 15500.
Is it a starter watch like you said in the other video?
It's not a starter watch.
Dude, I got some mean comments. Tell everyone how much you spent
I spent.
to win it.
I bought very little tickets. I don't know exactly. I don't know the pounds, but yeah. But
Oh, it's in pounds.
Yeah, so it's like a European thing. They're only in Europe. Yeah.
Okay.
I did like a few of their raffles. Yeah. I didn't win.
So yeah, if you guys are interested,
Yeah.
I mean, it seems pretty real to me.
I'll put the link down below.
I'll put the link in the description.
Yeah. Very nice watch.
Oh yeah, let's do a close up.
So the blue dial's one of the hardest dials to get.
It's really popular.
Yeah, it's probably the most expensive color for this line right now.
But yeah, it's like stainless steel. Oh wait, it's out of focus.
Yeah, stainless steel.
It has the classic bracelet.
Yeah. So you
Show
should.
them the bracelet.
My
Oh, the
most
back.
favorite thing. It's an open back.
Wow. Do you want to move it around?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard because the bracelet's in the way, but yeah. So yeah, that's inside all of them.
Yeah.
From what Cody tells me.
It's just that this one has the clear backing so you can see it.
This is what that guy on that Instagram page sent Cody.
Yeah, he cans of everything. He to be honest, he buys it on the gray market from the secondhand dealers. And then it comes,
What's a gray market?
Gray market is just like where it's aftermarket where you sell the watches. It's not an authorized dealer, but
Oh, so that's like reselling for
yeah, they're like
bags.
reselling. Warranty card. I looked it up. It's real.
Okay,
Still got,
good.
You know, the right paperwork, and you know, overall nice watch.
All right, let me know if you guys want more segments from Cody like this, or you don't want any. But yeah, thanks for watching this section. He had a lot of joy unboxing this, and he can finally get rid of this. I've been asking him to get rid of this. Can you say what you just said?
Okay.
It's funny.
How's it feel bad to take advantage of me when I'm happy?
Doesn't feel great. Hey, I asked you for your consent. Okay. Hello, good morning. It's Saturday, so it's the next day. I'm all dressed. I'm hanging out with Nan today. I think we're doing a bunch of random stuff, and the weather isn't the best, so I think we're just gonna go with the flow. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys details of my outfit. So this is from Princess Polly. This is Cody's shirt. It's from Charles entire width. I have this necklace from Amazon, and then this necklace is from Cartier, and my hoops are from Ana Luisa. Oh, my little hair. It's so hot. Nanny's here. Say hi, Nanny. Nanny got us popsicle. Thank you for getting us popsicle. Did you pick the flavor?
Yeah. It was lime, cucumber, and mango.
I'm gonna eat it first.
Yeah. We got lunch.
Lunch, it's sushi. Are you surprised? Don't be. She got the same thing that she always gets. I got a trashy bowl. Very excited. We are at Domino Park. It's really cute. It's like a fake grass thing. Astro grass? I don't know. So cute, my beautiful date. Oh no, she's messy.
You give your loving too, you'll end up leaving here with someone. I just don't wanna know. You be drinking way past 2, lights out and it's not me you're loving. I just don't wanna know. You, it's all you. I just don't wanna know.
So, speaking of treat yourself, I am going to wear this beauty today. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so crazy that I finally have it. We've come full circle. We've made it. Cody's gonna get ready now. Thank you, Cody. Thank you. You wanna say you're welcome? So yeah, we're ready to go. I have all of my different bags. Honestly, if you're going anywhere in New York City to get anything done, you look like this with a bunch of bags. So I have a few things to return at Aritzia or maybe exchange, and then I have my laptop because I'm gonna try to edit at the salon for when I'm waiting for Cody. So yeah, let's go. Hello. So here are my lashes. They're so good, so wispy. Dana asked me if I plucked my eyelash, and I said that I did because she said that there was a gap here.
Cautious when you're leaving. Used to sleep between them. Now I'm sleeping different. I let you go. I'm not used to feeling like I need it. Guess I must have missed it. I should have known. You're probably with your friends, dancing on TikTok.
Sure.
Yeah. Look at this guy.
We're gonna sit over there to shoot, okay?
Okay. This is $8.80 retail. I don't know why it's so much. But this one is cute. This one's really cute, but it's $9.75. So cute though. It's like okay condition. Ooh, shoes. These are nice. Let's see how much they are. $1,300. These are also nice. $8.50. Oh, they have these. Cody, they have these.
I don't know what those are. Oh. That's disgusting.
See, the back is like no traction either. See, guys? The back is no traction. Wait, let me grab the other one. So cute. Oh, not a cute price though. Ah. We're at the RealReal. No. She's very pretty though.
Yeah, I personally think, I mean, it's not what you're looking for. I know you asked specifically that.
It's me. Just finished editing this vlog, so I just wanted to pop in and say thanks for watching this one, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've really been trying to make an effort to go out more, do more date nights, enjoy the summertime, and just enjoy the city and the moment. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. More vlogs to come, and please like the video if you liked it, and please subscribe if you're new here. See you guys in the next one. Bye.